So hello everyone, this is a setup for my automated greenhouse model. This has been implemented on Arduino programming in conjunction with PHP mysql to be able to send the data from the environment straight to the cloud server. Here I have the humidity and temperature sensor, and that is connected to the breadboard. Then as you can see, I have these three cables. We have one on the sensor itself. You have a section written S for the signal, where S connects to the A0 or the analog pin 0, but we actually can connect to pin 1, 2, 3, etc. But I chose 0 as the start one. Then we have the other pin is positive from the sensor. Then the positive one connects to the 5 volt on the Ethernet shield. Yeah, there we go, 5 volts. Then we have the other one is the negative one goes to the ground. So we have the signal going to A0 pin, then we have positive going to 5 volts, and then negative going to the ground. Then after that, on the Ethernet shield, I connected the Ethernet cable all the way to my TP-Link router here. It's a wireless router, so that this can issue the Ethernet shield with a valid IP address. Then of course the Uno circuit board connects using this power cable to the laptop. Okay, then of course my laptop also connects to these TP-Link. Then from there, the next thing is to write the code. I wrote the Arduino code for so that this code now helps the Arduino sensor to pick the environmental variables. And as you can see, once the values have been picked, I can click on serial monitor here, and from the serial monitor I am able to see if this code was successful. Just a few minutes, there we go, connected. Then you're able to see humidity is 23, temperature is 25, but that's not what I want. The objective is to have this information sent into the server. So the next thing is to launch my PHP, my admin. Actually, just launch my XAMPP, and okay, so I have XAMPP control here. I've turned on PHP, I've turned on mysql. Then after that, I come on my Sublime Text, and I wrote the code to get the values from the Arduino interface. So the values that are being obtained are being sent to this script here. This is actually PHP and MySQL script to receive the variables, and then the statement here pushes that the variables obtained from the sensor straight to my database. So as for the database, I have created a table called DHT, and DHT has the fields temperature, humidity, and time or date time. And that is, as you can see, oh sorry, I actually closed that. Yeah, I will show you that in a short while. So the values go to the table, and I think I have it somewhere. There you go. So you can see my DHT table here on phpMyAdmin. You can see ID, humidity, temperature, and date time. So if I refresh this, it's going to show me actually the last value was sent in at 1:59. So let me refresh this to see the last value. So I can refresh here, and okay, that's a warning because the fields are coming close to 1000. The record, sorry, the last value was sent in at 2:04 p.m. and that was to what? Yeah, 2:04 p.m. I'll try to check out why that is the case, because it's supposed to be at 2:35. Oh yeah, sorry, that's not the last value. I need to go to the last value. The last value here at 2:35 p.m. It's actually 2:35 p.m. now. So that is from the database. However, for the users, you don't want the users to be checking the database for their data. So I ended up creating another file that it's supposed to pick the values from the database and display them on our web browser, so that the user will just click on the link on our web browser like this, and they are able to see their records. So here we go.